So this is an update to the Angular agent that is added to cloudbasetemplates.com. Right now I'm running a local version of the app. So let's try a prompt. I'm still seeing some issues when it is working with multiple components. So I'm asking a prompt where it needs to create a movie booking website and make sure no compilation errors are there. Also in next iteration, add two features of your choice. At the end, the app should be running error free. So check the logs and fix any errors. Make sure to do all this in a single component. So any change should go to the same component. And let's see, new routes. One route will get added and the component will get created using Cognito 671 billion parameter model. So just now it created a movie booking component. Let's see how it looks. So this is what it looks like. This is a starting point. So just a basic component with, okay, it made some update. It was successfully able to call the update API. It is still processing. Let's see if it is able to end it error free. It did some more changes, some CSS changes, I believe, and it is still in working state. There are no errors yet. Let's see. The agent has completed processing. Let's submit this final prompt and let's see how it summarizes. And this is the ending log. Changes detected, application generation complete. So looks like it is running error free. Submit this. Successfully created seed selection, added seed map. Application is currently running. It gave this link, the same link that I was testing. Okay, even this is added. Select seeds, proceed to payment. Okay, even this page is there. So yeah, it is in a working state, but yeah, right now only I can say that the only limitation is it is not able to work when it is given a instruction without this limitation of single component. It is trying to generate multiple component if I try to give a prompt like that, but ultimately it will break on keeping connection between those. Some of the imports will be failing and other things. Let's give it a try. I'll just do the same prompt without asking it to do it with the single component. So I'll clear this up, just paste this, and here I need to do some reset. I need to delete this movie booking, and now routes will have error, but I can just restart this agent and that will clear up the route. So this is the same prompt without the part of asking it to do it in a single agent, a single component. Let's see if it works. So this time we should expect more than one component getting created. It is starting to generate a movie listing. Okay, one component it added. Movie listing, movie booking will not be available now. So, movie listing. Okay, so this is the initial page. It is in working state. It made some updates also, and looks like that is also in working state. Let's see if it does the updates in the same component or adds more, because previously without that restriction I saw it is adding more than one component. So let's see, and it is still processing. Okay, this time it got into an error. Property get seat in row does not exist on type this one. Let's see if it is able to fix it. So it would have made some update which caused this error. I think it might be getting access from the template file. Yeah, it is there in the template, but not in the TS file. Let's see if it can add it, because it would have got this error. Okay, it completed. So yeah, looks like without that instruction, even though it worked in a single component this time, it got into some error. In the end, it has clearly has an error occurred in this one, but it was not able to submit this and mark the task as done. This is the wrong viewer. I help you create the employees running on this one. The movie listing has been created, updated, error found. Let's give it a try, sending the entire chat. Fix the error. Let's see if it can. It made some update and the error is gone. So it was able to do the fix, and finally immediately a response came. Let's see how it summarizes. I have fixed the compilation error by adding get seats row method in the movie listing component. Here's what's done. The error was in movie listing. So yeah, it worked perfectly fine. This time, even though I did not ask it to keep it a single component, it still worked in single component, came with an error, but ultimately fixed it on a second prompt. So yeah, this is the update.